Decorate my new round centered stone leather drum coffee table set from Homery with me. This portion of the video is sponsored by Homery. So I decided to add touches of modern vibes to our family room, and this coffee table set is perfect. These are drum shaped and made up of a steel base and centered stone top and a PU leather upholstery with a fluted design. Both tables are temperature and stretch resistant and very easy to clean. Each piece has a solid and durable stainless steel base. The larger one is about 14.2 inches tall and 27.6 inches wide. It's off-white with the gold base. The smaller one is about 17.7 inches tall and about 18.1 inches wide, and it also has the gold base, but it's dark gray. You have the option to either purchase them as a set or individually. Adding the coffee table set added that touch of class and sophistication to my space that I was looking for. I will have the link to the set as well as the coupon code below. So let's check out the Homery website. You can shop indoor and outdoor home decor. You can shop lighting. You can shop for all rooms in your home, even the bathroom, for toilets and faucets. You can search for an item of interest, add it to your cart, and you are good to go. You even get free shipping. So how did I find my coffee table set? I searched coffee table set. I strolled down a bit until I found the set that I actually like, and there you have it. It's my beautiful coffee table set. The options are not limited on what you can find at homery.com. Be sure to click the link below, and there's also a coupon code in my description box for your use. Okay, love. So now let's talk about the other items that I have in our family room for the 2025 fall season. Let's start over on this side of the room. So the wall art is from At Home. My wall sconces are from Amazon. My couches are from Rooms to Go. My pillow here with the gold foil on it. This was a DIY made by me several years ago. And this pillow here is actually from Home Goods. And my water feature is from Amazon. My drapes are from Amazon. My lamps are from Z Gallery. I also have some Z Gallery nesting tables over there. I've had those for several years. My throw there is from Z Gallery. Same pillows you see here, also over there. And the items on the coffee table, the beautiful teal pumpkins, which I'll probably never get rid of because they're hard to find. I don't think they even sell them anymore. Are from Home Goods. This bigger one, $14, smaller one, $9.99. The vase here is from Z Gallery. You may be able to get your hands on that vase. If it's still on the site, I will link it. And the Ming boxes, also from Z Gallery. And again, these beautiful nesting coffee table set here is actually from Homery. And again, the coffee table set is from Homery, and I love them. Okay, I didn't mention this lamp here. This lamp is from Home Goods. I've had it for umpteen years, meaning like a good 7 or 8 years or so. This end table here is from TLV. I also have the coffee table to that's actually in my living room right now. And the mirror on the wall is from At Home. Panning on around to this wall art over here. This wall art is from Home Goods. The actual lanterns, love those lanterns, are from At Home, as well as the candles. So I'm going to pan on around to the TV area of the living room, which is back over here. Nothing's different over here except for I threw in a couple of the teal pumpkins. And I threw in a gold vase to give it a pop of gold over here. The gold vase is actually from Home Goods. And you know I'm a matchy girl, as I always say. So whatever I have going on this bookshelf, I also have it going on over on that bookshelf. The ceramic books from Z Gallery, another Home Goods pumpkin. The lantern here from Z Gallery, I had it for so many years. This Ming box set, also from Z Gallery. The vase at the bottom, also from Z Gallery. This is the bigger vase. The taller vase or vase, I'm going to say vase. The taller vase or ginger jar. Shorter one over on this side. My mirror TV console fireplace is from Wayfair. And I'm thinking about updating to get rid of the mirror. Not sure when. Probably after the holidays. I'll probably change it out to maybe something black. I want something a tad bit more taller and something in the black family. And these super cute candle holders here are from Bath and Body Works. All my candles, by the way, are from Amazon. I love getting my candles from Amazon. I'll have those linked down below in case someone's interested in getting some. And the wall art over here on this side is actually from Kirkland's. These are from Hobby Lobby. They have the burgundy ones and they have like the silver tones ones, I think, and they have like a gold tone, creamish looking color. Yes, and I think you can still get your hands on these. I use these pretty much throughout the year when I have the teal in here. It goes well with the spring colors and then the summer colors. And now it's flowing well with the fall colors, as you can see. And I'm going to pan on down to this tall, beautiful floor vase. It's actually from Wayfair. And the lantern again here is from At Home. I'll try to link whatever's linkable down below. I think I pretty much mentioned everything in the space. The area rug is from Sam's Warehouse. Yes, I got everything covered here. And yes, we were getting a little rain here. Oh, let me tell you about the fireplace, the actual fireplace screen on the TV. That's my screensaver there. That's I actually did that. I sat down one day and I just recorded my fireplace going, and I saved it on my phone so that I can have a fireplace. I saved it. I made a video, uploaded it on YouTube so that I can have a screen saver to play while my videos are playing. That way I don't get any copyright violations or anything like that. So that's an idea if you want to have something going on your TV while you're doing your videos, or just in general. You can look up, on YouTube, TV fireplace screensavers, and you can have it for your TV if you want to just relax at home with a fireplace on your TV, especially if you don't have a fireplace. I think that's an awesome idea. I was about to say, we got a little rain here in Houston earlier today, and so we needed that rain because the grass out there was kind of getting a little crunchy, so it's a little muggy outside. So who's ready for Christmas? I'm ready to start decorating for Christmas. So I want to do in this space, and in this space what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to change out this gold in here. I'm going to probably put the gold in my shed for Christmas, and I'm going to put the silver lamps in here for Christmas. I do have another set of silver lamps that I can put in here. Silver lamps will be in here. No, I'm not going to do the silver. I'm going to do the white lamps in here because I'm going to try to do the candy cane lane theme in here, with the peppermints and stuff, with the red and whites for my grandkids. I like to do something fun in this space for the kiddos, and I do my serious stuff like in my living room and in my bedroom. And I don't think I'm going to be doing a tree in my home office this year. If I put a tree in my home office, it'll probably be something small. Guys, let me tell you, after the holidays, when you're trying to take that Christmas decor down, that is the most stressful time of my life. Taking that Christmas stuff down and boxing it and having to put it up. My attic is packed with nothing but Christmas decor. As a matter of fact, Some of my fall decor has been embedded in the Christmas decor to where I couldn't even find it. I just said, forget it. I'll just go with what I have, which worked out fine. So I don't have a lot of fall decor out right now. Just my teal pumpkins and my squirrels. That's it. I don't have anything else in this space because everything is actually in the attic, embedded in those crates and boxes with the Christmas stuff. So I'm ready to start decorating for Christmas. I think I'm going to start next week. I'm going to start next week because it's going to take me about a month and a half to actually finish all my Christmas decorating. So that means by November 1st, I should be done with my Christmas decorating, and I can just sit back and and enjoy all the beautiful decor, because I'm going to do my living room, my kitchen, this room, my bedroom, and of course, I'm going to decorate out on my patio. I'm going to put some Christmas stuff out there, probably a tree and some pillows, and then I do my front yard. My front yard, I don't know if y'all follow me and saw my front yard last year. Oh my God, it was amazing. So, and I also do my front yard. So I have to start early. I'll start inside early, and then I'll do the outside probably October. I'll jump into, not October, I don't know, maybe end of October or 1st of November. I'm going to look at my last year video to see when did I start my outdoor decor, and that's when I'm going to start my outdoor decor again this year. I'm going to just mimic whatever I did last year. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that link down below, as well as the coupon code to check out these beautiful coffee tables from Homery. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.